video, I'm going to show you where to get promo code deals for Zoosk. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then head on over to our good friends at Google. And now in the Google search box here, type in promo code deals for Zoosk and then hit enter. And now you'll come to the Google search results here. So you've got third-party sites offering these promo code deals. We've got Groupon.com. If we keep scrolling down, you got Coupon Chief, a Worth the Penny, etc. So any one of these third-party sites will work. Just click into them. So I'm going to click into the one from Worth the Penny. And keep an eye out as well. These codes do expire. So yeah, check that they haven't expired, these codes as well, for many of these third-party sites. So I'm inside Worth the Penny. So to get this today's best offer is time to save up to 50% with this Zoosk coupon. And you can see some stats with this coupon code as well. 101 people have used this with an 85% success rate. So to activate this code or get the code, simply click onto the code. And then from here, another page will appear or pop up. Click on time to save up to 50%. And now that code is copied to my clipboard. And now what I'm going to do is paste this code at the checkout section of Zoosk to receive up to 50% off.